Ryan, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Love this day because we get to share so many awesome tips with our audience, and we're going to switch it up a little bit today.
Yes.
Yeah, and talk about keeping a positive mindset and what you do and some suggestions for our audience because in this crazy world right now, staying positive can really be a game changer for, personal and professional success. Because
Yes.
as if you think you can't do something, you won't.
Yeah.
But that mind is so powerful, and if you think and know you can, you absolutely will. So, Ryan, what do you do on a daily basis to stay positive, keep that mind, in the right mind frame?
Yeah.
And what's one suggestion that you have for our listeners to do the same?
Well, for myself, the one thing I could control is what I have my attention go to. Tony Robbins has always said, "Where attention goes, energy flows." So instead of focusing on, watching the news or listening to any of the negative headlines that are out there, I always try to listen to something that's more inspirational. I love good personal development, motivational podcasts or books. And my car really doesn't move without gas or something inspirational to be listening to.
I
So
love
that's
it.
that's really what I do. I try to focus on things that are uplifting, something that will grow me instead of things that will bring me down. I've noticed during these difficult, economic times, a lot of people are watching the news, and the news likes to focus on the bad. That's what gets attention. So, if all we do is pay attention to bad news, it could really cloud our view of the world. And applying this to the housing market, a lot of people are seeing, record high rates and values, going down. And, that could really put a negative spin on things. But when you really look at it, it's a great time in the housing market for buyers right now. There's a lot more inventory. There's homes that are sitting longer. So that gives an opportunity for people to get great deals out there. So we've had a lot of clients over the past 2.5 years that weren't being able to buy because the housing market was so hot that are finally buying right now. So, you can't always buy into the negative news. You got to focus on the positives and what's going good out there. And, for me being in the trenches every day, I'm seeing so much positives with people finally getting homes and getting in with good terms, getting closing costs covered. So that's really my big tip is, don't really focus on so much of the negative. Try to actually get as much positive information as you can each day, and that puts you in the right mindset to really have an excellent day every day.
Love it, Ryan. Awesome, you guys. So yes, positive mindset. It will be a game changer for your life. So there's our tip for this Tuesday. Bye,
Thanks,
everybody.
everyone.